don't forget to subscribe from our channel and give a big thumbs up. Nice. Woo! Hi guys. We're opening 5 surprise mini brands today.
Well, two of them.
2 of them. Because I really wanted 2 of them. And then we got these at Target.
We did. We got these at Target.
And you can get these at Walmart or Amazon.
Yeah.
Or Target.
Or Target, like we got. And what are you supposed to tell all your subscribers?
Thanks for watching our other all videos.
Yes.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the button on the eye.
On the eye?
Yeah, right here.
Let me see. What was I going to say? Show them your hair. Show
It's
them your
like
jasmine hair. Yeah. Jasmine hair. And I'm going to do a hair tutorial on it. So.
I'm probably going to do Merida hair tomorrow.
All right, let's get started. First one.
Put this one to the side. This one? Oh wait, this one's the hearing one. There you go. Vlogger needs some assistance.
We'll be back.
We're back.
Oh, we finally got the wrapping off. Took a little while. It was harder than expected, but here we are. Let's peel orange now.
Let's start with the first one.
Can you do it?
It's a bow.
Let me see.
It's a JoJo bow.
Ooh, it's a mini one. It's like the tiniest ever, like for Barbies. All right, that was our first one.
Wow.
Yeah, it just opens up. Let's see. Second one is.
And what is this?
It is. What is that?
I don't know.
Let's see. Let's see what it says. It says Smashers. Huh. Interesting.
Let's open the next one.
Okay.
A dinosaur robot.
Let me
There's
see.
a checklist. This is the wrong checklist.
Okay, let's see. Let's keep on moving. What is that one? What is that one?
It's a
Show the
robot. It's a dinosaur robot.
Let me see.
It's a dinosaur robot.
Oh, wow.
Next one. Vlog, let's do the next
So
one.
cool. Okay.
Next
All
one.
right.
Yes. This is it's Daddy. Mini crayons.
Mini crayons. So cute. Okay.
Guys, guess what? You can get glowing ones.
Glow in the dark. What?
Come on, let's open them. Let's open them now.
The last one.
Hey, well, what if this one is the glow in the dark one?
Well, let's see. Let's see. We got a glow in the dark one. Peel it, peel it, peel it. Peel it. It's a
What is it? Bunch of balloons.
what?
Bunch of balloons.
Oh, like water balloons. Cool.
Bunch of balloons. Next one.
Okay. Next, mini brands.
Okay, let's
Ball.
pull this one out.
Okay. You want to pull them apart? Okay.
Okay. Let's start with the first one.
Let's see what we get. Let's see what
What
we
if this is
get.
to go with
Let's see what we get. Peel it, peel it, peel it, peel it, peel it, peel it.
What's this?
It's what is it?
A shield?
It's a frisbee.
Frisbee? I thought it was a shield. Okay, guys, let's open the next one.
It's a frisbee.
Guys, let's open the next one.
Okay.
Shimmer and Shine?
Is it? Oh, shish kebabs. Tweeny Genies. Oh.
So I guess
it is Shimmer and Shine. It says Zaracorn Play Part. Ooh.
Come on, vlog. Let's open another
Oh,
one.
I'm sorry. Peel it. Pull it.
I have greasy hands.
Why you have greasy hands? You didn't even eat greasy food.
Or something. There. Finally. We got the same one.
Oh, the balloons. We got another balloons.
Bunch
A
of
bunch
balloons.
of balloons. Okay.
You can pick it. Okay, let's open the next one. More mini crayons.
Another set of crayons.
Wait,
Or
that one was different.
This one has 64. The other one was markers.
I think
These are the washable, ultra clean, washable markers.
It's
and
the
then
one that I
this one
have.
is a 64 crayon.
Okay, okay, fine.
Well, that was not successful.
Wait. Maybe there's a glow in the dark one.
Let's hope. That would be so cool. It's
Pink.
pink. See? Is it pink? It's the Crayola washable tempera.
Here's the other checklist.
3-pack.
Here's the other checklist.
What's the other checklist? Is that all of them that we have?
I think so. We do that too, remember?
Yeah, but I didn't know if you... Okay, I guess that's all.
Okay, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe on our channel. And thanks for watching our videos. Bye!